Sunrise, Indonesia. Oh, let's go! Petromax Turbo. We are back in Bali on an all-carbon 636, and you know we had to get Dodie the Z1100. I'm leading the way, and I've got no idea. Leading the way with no clue. Oh, let's go! What even was that thing, bro? Look at the lineup, bro. There he is. I'm telling you, boys, you got a bunch of mates, some fun bikes. You don't get much better than this, bro. I'll tell you. I say it again and again, bro. And I've got the new Alpines on, bro. My last ones were just absolutely ratted, cooked. I can't get over how much I love that Z1100. Like, actually looks so gangster. If I was gonna get a naked bike, I love the MTs, but man, that thing is a good looking bike. I don't think I've been down this way before, eh? Cool rice fields just out of Canggu as well. Like, I think we're still in Canggu. That's sick. That's so nice. Always something new that I haven't seen before. It's like bugs or something, bro. I was like, what is hitting me? Are there like bugs going into you? Were there bugs going into you? I got the same, eh?
Yeah, that's right.
Everyone got bugs in their eyes, bro. It was like a swarm of bugs. I had to put my visor down. That was cooked, man. Oh yeah, you got it out, yeah. How is it?
Dude, this is crazy.
Bit fun? Oh, Dodie, you deserve it, bro. You deserve it. No, you know how to ride safe. You do it. It looks awesome. Like, it looks so... Yeah, no, you're doing perfect, Dodie. But it looks... I'm actually think it looks better than this thing.
Is this more comfortable?
Is it? Yeah, that's why we got it. Because we thought... Plus, it's easy to flat foot. Bit easier. Yeah.
Why not 250? It's more easy.
Nah, because you're one of us, Dodie. We got to get you the big boy bike. I'm putting my visor down, eh? Even though I got a black visor, there's bugs. Oh, the boys are back in town. We're at my favourite market. Whenever I'm here, I know we're going on a massive ride. Bro, we're actually up early for once. I don't know, that clock's not right, but it's like maybe, I don't think it's past 7. It's like 6:30. Popping here right now. Hey, hello, Mr. Doggy. Hello. He looks stoic as right now. Look at that S1K. Like, that thing is probably the craziest bike in Bali. Like, confidently can say that. On one bar. Why am I always the guy running out of fuel every time? I'm always the homie running out of fuel. We've been to 2 in Bali. If you have a sports bike, you need to get, it's called Petromax Turbo. If you don't have Petromax Turbo, I mean, I'm not saying that you can't run any other fuel, but for these bikes, it's pretty much like running 98 octane in Perth or Australia. Listen, that thing's crazy, bro. I went to Lavina today, so I've never been. Look at that. Sunrise, Indonesia. What else do you want? Let's go. These are the lads you got to watch out for. Hello, little boy. Please, please, please be a Petromax Turbo. Oh, nah.
I cannot.
Oh, you're on 2 bars as well.
Don't let me put on the...
If I hold mine down, it was coming on. What? Yes, sir. I miss this place so much, man. I miss this so much. Gotta stop for a coffee soon, eh? I've had like nothing to eat or drink. What a beautiful day to be in Indonesia. Man, I was like a zombie 2 days. Look at the cows, bro. Chilling. The Petromax. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Turbo. Turbo, let's go. It doesn't work. You're kidding me. You're kidding, bro. Oh, yes. We found it, bro. After 1 year of riding, we found turbo.
No.
Oh, nah, they won't have any turbo. No way. It's becoming a reoccurring. They probably just don't sell it out here. Look at the view on that. Bro, rice fields look crazy. Like, just how symmetrical it all looks. So nice. I don't even know. I actually have no idea where we are now. No clue. We're near the power station. Look at the power grid. Look at that. We are trying to find coffee. That is our #1 goal right now. Is there a coffee place up here? I'm leading the pack, leading the boys. And I know this spot's crazy, man. Bro's convinced me to get an S1K. On fuel, we should be conserving our fuel, but everyone's just hooking it, man. That's what you gotta watch out for. Man, spanking new. Oh no, that dog, oh my god. Oh, bro. Everything is happening right now. Cody in the Gojek jacket. I didn't get mine on, hey. What is going on? What's that?
Such a good picture. Over the wall?
Up there? Yeah. Do you want to go there? Yeah, let's go get a photo. With the boys, I need to catch up to them. Let's go. All right. 10 out of 10, ladies. 10 out of 10. How crazy is that? That is why you come to Bali, boys. Do you know Petromax Turbo? No, okay. Thank you. Every single fuel station has said the next one has 98, and we've almost hit every single one in Bali, bro. There is a fuel, maybe there really is a fuel shortage. The battle of the Gojeks. Gojek Premium. Yeah. This is cool. There's like actually a little bit of a different vibe out here. I don't know. It's like the beach kind of vibe down here. I mean, I know it's like Uluwatu, but still looking for fuel. This is crazy. I've been on one bar for like a year, man. Dude, the dancing thing. Let's go. That's gold, eh? Ah! Brake, 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 brake. This is crazy, bro. Please, please, please. Bro, I think we've got no cash, man. He's got card, yeah, he's got card, all good, all good. Yeah, sweet. Wait, we're up, boys. All the way to the other side of Bali. Look at that, what a day. Bro, what? Sheesh. That is unreal. Bro, what a spot, man.
Oh, shit.
Oh, man, I almost want to go for a swim, bro. How far's the place that you wanted to go?
Nice here, eh?
Huh? Bro, it's crazy, man, huh?
It's a bit far.
Yeah.
Where is it? A bit far, 1 hour.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was such nice people. And that's another reason why this place is just, you can't beat it. Everyone is just so nice. It's given me the S1K. Bali, Indonesia. Look how crazy this thing is. As if I'm going to be riding this right now. This is crazy. Sheesh. Woo, we're on, boys. This thing, I forgot how crazy this thing is. Woo. He's got an all carbon midnight purple. 636 is fun, but this is just another animal, bro. Listen to it. This road is mint. Oh, watch the water. Wet tires, let that dry off. Everyone take it in, bro. We're gonna catch up the Doty. I think he's up here. I'm pretty sure. What? He was saying it's so sick. It looks insane. Let's go. We made it up. I wonder if any S1Ks have been out in the jungle like this. Yeah. We're going up. We are going up. The roads are rough now. They are really rough. Oh, Phil got Batman on his Batmobile, bro. The $1 million view, boys. Let's go. Second time I've done this run. Doesn't get off. Yeah, bro, you got freezing, bro. I'm in love with the blue, with the matching blue hoodie. Oi, oi, the high ace, bro. Will they have turbo? That is, if you will see our videos from yesterday, trying to find turbo could have been the hardest thing we ever did in my life. So hopefully they have it. You reckon they'll have it? Yeah. Fill that up as well. Fill yours up as well. Hello! Look, he's got a cowbell as well. Oh my god, he's gonna go me! He's gonna go me! Sorry! Oh, that's gold. Hey!
Yes, sir.
Hey, you Gojek? You're famous. It's Ride with Couture. You are famous. Want me to turn it on? Should I turn it on?
Wait.
Ready? It's gonna be loud. Loud. Ready? I want him to give it a little rev. Also, guys, like and subscribe if you want to see more Bali content or bike content. Let's go.